You can add all sorts of drawing objects to a document. Once placed, you can then rotate them to your heart's content. In this quick tip, I show a couple of ways that you can perform the rotation. Word allows you to create drawing objects in your document. These objects, such as ovals, rectangles, lines, etc., are positioned on what is called the drawing layer, which is separate and distinct from the text that appears in a document. You generally create such objects by using the Shapes tool that is over here on the Insert tab of the ribbon. You can rotate a drawing object to any degree that you desire. All you need to do is start by selecting the drawing object that you want to rotate. When I click on the drawing object just once, Word places handles around the document. This control is referred to as the rotation control. Every drawing object will have a rotation control that's visible when you click on that drawing object. If I position the mouse pointer over the top of that rotation control, then the mouse pointer changes to that little circular arrow as well. All I need to do is click and drag in the direction that I want this rotation to occur. And as long as I don't release the mouse button, well, then I can continue rotating this as far as I want to go. When I do release the mouse button, well, then that's where the rotation is placed for that drawing object. Remember that Word allows you to insert text within a drawing object. Rotating the shape also rotates the text which is within that drawing object. You can see the drawing object that's down here at the bottom right of this page, and if I click on it and then I drag the rotation handle, you can see that the text is rotated right along with that drawing object. Now, if I know exactly how much I want to rotate a drawing object, I can right-click on it to display a context menu. When I choose More Layout Options, which is down near the very bottom of that context menu, then Word displays the Layout dialog box. Over on the Size tab, I can use the Rotation control, which is currently set at 45 degrees, to enter any value of rotation that I want. Positive values rotate clockwise, and negative values rotate counterclockwise. Or I can use these up and down controls to specify the rotation that I want. Now notice when I get all the way to 360 degrees here in just a moment, what happens? It keeps going, but there are only 360 degrees within a circle, so it will adjust that accordingly once I click on OK. Now if I go back to that same dialog box again, I can see on the Size tab that it's set to 76 degrees instead of the 400 plus degrees that I had there a few moments ago. Again, it adjusts it all based upon 360 degrees within that circle. So there you have it. Two different ways that you can rotate your drawing objects using either the mouse or by entering a rotation amount. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.